So it's currently 6:02 and we have little Miss Adelina just playing around. Right now I just got her to lay around and play or whatnot while watching TV. Usually we have her on the mamaru, but she got really bored, so I just let her play on the floor. Usually Dad's home by now and he usually helps me with her and all that to keep her distracted, whatnot. I'm pregnant, so it's really hard for me to go down and up. So usually he's on the floor with her, but he's not home right now. He finished work really late today, and he had to go pick up some stuff. So he's just coming home at the moment. She's full on stuff. But yeah, this is what we usually do, and she'll just play around for a little bit. So this is my favorite part of the evening, and that's when Adelina gets to see Jessie. She gets super happy and excited and she just plays around with him for a bit. So now it's shower time and I am having a shower with Adelina today. Usually it's Jessie, but he had to do some stuff. So I just took her in the shower with me. I washed my hair, washed my body. I shampoo twice and then condition. And while the conditioner is sitting, I'll wash Adelina and then I'll wash my own body and whatnot. So since I'm pregnant, I have a really strict shower routine, and one of them is like dry brushing. I really like to dry brush because it helps with my cellulite. So I make sure that I do that every single time I shower. And now I'm just going to get me and Adelina out and I'm going to get her changed. So now I'm going to do my skincare, and while I do my skincare, I just leave Adelina with Jessie and he just works out and does his home workout since we're in isolation, and he does it with her. She's so cute, she's having so much fun. Alright, so going in with my skincare, I'm really simple. So I just go in with moisturizer, I put that all over my face and my neck. Then I'll go in with a little bit of water so I can put my ordinary serum on. I feel like this serum doesn't work unless I activate it with a little bit of water. Eye cream, lip balm, hand cream, and then I moisturize my whole body. But when it comes to my belly, I make sure that I use my belly oil just so I don't get stretch marks, or well, it can prevent the stretch marks from happening. So after our shower, I will cook dinner, and I made lomo saltado, which is a Peruvian dish. While I'm making dinner, Jessie starts to prepare Adelina's bottle. She gets really fussy when she's really hungry, so she's starting to cry. Alright. We wrap her very lightly because she'll end up getting out of it, just because she moves a lot when she drinks her milk. And then Jessie has a certain way of stacking the teddy bears so that he doesn't have to feed her. She's an independent feeder as well. She doesn't like being fed by us, which is really weird. But yeah, so then she drinks that until she falls asleep, and then we'll take it off and we monitor her through the cameras anyways. So once dinner is all done, I go into Adelina's room, I fix her blankets, I move all the toys away from her, I unwrap her, I move her bottle, and then I just make her comfy so she can fall asleep for the rest of the night. So this is a time I just wind down and I take a break. I'm usually done by this point and I'm so tired I can't do it anymore. You can tell that I'm stretching. I get really bad back pains during this pregnancy, especially because I'm having twins. So I make sure that I stretch my back as much as possible. I do this before I go to bed too. If I don't do this before I go to bed, I won't be able to sleep at all. And then I'll just prepare me and Jess's dinner. And then we were so hungry this night, we just like demolished our plates. And then after that, after we eat and whatnot, we just take it down, we chill out, we watch TV, and we just take advantage that it's just us two and Adelina is all sound asleep. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!